In order to get a massage oil, what you want to do is, grapeseed oil is a really good one. It's, for the most part, it's not going to cause somebody to have allergies when you put it on their skin. If you avoid nut oils if you can. Almond oil is a really popular one, but sometimes people are allergic to nuts, and then if you put that on your skin, it can make your skin bother you, or you could even have more serious reactions. So you just put a little of your carrier oil into your container that you're blending, and you could also put that directly into a container like this. And olive oil is fantastic for your skin, so I'll blend a little bit of these two guys together, and then I'm going to use a little peppermint oil. So peppermint oil wouldn't really be the best kind of oil to use for massage unless somebody had sore, tired hands or feet, and I have a little dropper here because this one doesn't have a special dropper, and you just put however many drops you're going to put in. For this amount of oil that I poured in, which is basically a few tablespoons, like if I were going to do one massage, you really only need probably in the vicinity of 5 to 8 drops at the very most altogether of all the oils you use, whether it's one oil of 5 to 8 drops or 3 oils combined, which total 5 to 8 drops. And I'll put a little bit of lavender oil into my blend. This one has a little dropper that's basically part of the container. And then what you do is you just mix it all together. And you can put it onto your skin this way, or if you were putting it directly into a container like this, you can just tighten the lid on the container and give it a super good shake. Make sure the lid's tight though. And then you can just rub this into your skin like this. Oh, and it smells so nice. So that's an easy way to make a massage oil. And if you just go, you can go to Trader Joe's or a supermarket and just get yourself some good food grade oil to make your massage oil with. You can also do that exact same process, but this is a lotion. And so you can just get your favorite lotion that's just plain lotion and basically do the exact same thing and add the essential oils to it. And that's a really easy way to make yourself a special massage lotion. The one difference with lotions is that sometimes it's a little bit nicer if you just use like 1 scent in the lotion, or maybe 2. Easier to blend more scents if you're doing a massage oil. So that's how you use a carrier like that.